center. Sliding the back foot out into your runner's lunge. Dropping the knee down, pressing the hips into the floor. Yes, lowering that hip as low as you can. Woo, nice. Beautiful, yes. Nice long hip flexor here. Breathe as you exhale. Last one. Now flexing the front foot, going into half split. Slide that flexed foot out about 2 inches to widen the base. Reach past the toes. Soften the elbows and lower down. Using your breath, extending through the lumbar spine. Using your body weight to extend, to deepen, and to get the most out of every single stretch that we're doing. Rocking that weight back forward, externally rotate in that front hip and lower down to your elbows. Stretching that front hip joint. From the front part of your hip all the way down to the groin and your inner thighs. Rock the weight around, so rocking to your right elbow, rocking to the left elbow, and see where you get the deepest stretch. And it may be different from day to day, and that's okay. But find where you get that deepest stretch, and I want you to hold where you're feeling that deepest stretch. Release the tension once you start to feel that deepest stretch. And breathe. Finding all 10 fingers, pressing the floor away, walk the front leg into your pigeon pose. Pinky toe goes down on the floor, knee releases to the floor. Inhale, shoulders draw back. Exhale, walk it forward all the way. And again, releasing the elbows down to the floor. Beautiful, flat like a pancake, Carrington. Hello. Drop it, that looks gorgeous. Got those Gumby hips. Walk it out even further. Yes, 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 there it is. 3, 2, walking it back up. This time we're going into a Z-sit. So in a Z-sit, exactly how you are, you're going to grab that leg, bring it in a little bit, lowering down to your back. So we're going to stretch the quadricep, lowering all the way down. And as we're here, we're also going to be stretching the upper neck. So you take the chin and you gently tuck the chin into the chest, kind of making that beautiful double chin here, yes? Make that double chin, tuck the chin into the chest, stretch your cervical spine. Now squeezing the glutes, you're going to press that hip up to the ceiling. So hip bone is gently pressing up to the ceiling, chin is getting tucked in, the low back is trying to stay close to the floor, the abdominals are engaged here. 3, 2, and release. Let's do that other leg. So rolling it up, finding the Z-sit with that opposite leg in front. Left heel is in towards the glute, opening up those arms, rolling down.